or tilt it this way, however you want to do it. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Kaiweets, a laser level 3x3 base target plate. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers and platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So big shout out to Kaiweets for sending us this product to test to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. Model number KT360A USX. Alright, so this is the box. It does have a nice carrying case, nice handle. We got a zipper here and a zipper here. So we got some instructions, pretty thick booklet. We got a plate here. Looks like some sort of measuring plate. Goes up and down. It does have some sort of magnet. And then we got, looks like a power supply outlet. Yeah, USB connector. Alright, we got, looks like a battery, USB Type-C, charging port. So this looks like more like a tool battery. It says B negative and then positive and then A. We got 7.8 amp hours, 3.6 volts, 28.08 watt hours, made in China. And this is rugged, by the way. All this black part is rugged. The yellow is plastic, and it seems like it clips into the tool from there. Looks like you got two types of threads. You guys do see two different types of threads. We got some more accessories there, and some more. A tripod is maybe looks like a tripod base. Metal connectors or metals. Two different buttons there. Looks like we already got a battery in here. And then we got the laser there. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so this is the option, I guess, if you want one laser, if you want both of the lasers. See, there's the other one. And we press it again. Now we got a cross, basically. And then you can add all of them. You don't want to add all three of the lasers. I will say this one's for doing inspections, or if you're going to be doing cabinetry or a lot of doors, installing doors. So if we press it again, then we start, back horizontal laser. Got a fuel gauge here on the back, and then if you see it blinking like that, that means that the laser cannot level itself. See, it's not even. It's not even at the bottom there. So very interesting how this is. You can lock it so this doesn't move around, so you don't break them. And you can unlock it like so. Alright, so you are able to charge these through the USB adapter here in the back. Yeah. You just press it. You do have the mounting options there, so you can mount this maybe with this a USB Type-C. Alright, so yeah, guys, you guys, it's pretty solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Obviously, you're not going to install this in a toolbox. You're going to be installing this in a wall. Sometimes they use metal inside the walls. So that's where you're going to be installing this, or using that magnetic device that comes already in it. It's actually pretty nice. You guys do look at it. It does have the 3, and it's. You guys could see it's self-leveling, so this box is rocking back and forth, by the way, so that's why it's moving so much. So you guys do see the lines. Let me turn off the lights. I'll just show you guys how it looks on this side. It looks pretty nice. You can tilt it that way, or tilt it this way, however you want to do it. Rock it back, or rock it forward, however you want to do it. Then you guys see the line there, it's leveling it out. That's the way it looks across the room. Got a cross there on the back. If you follow that to the top. So you pretty much got a cross all the way around the room. So you guys do see. Then you got a line going straight up. So this is a great device for you guys to align pretty much what you're going to be, putting. If you're going to be putting some cabinets, a toilet maybe, maybe some electrical outlets, whatever you're going to be doing. This is a great device. Obviously, this is not, this is not DeWalt, this is not Bosch. So if you're looking to save some money and get the features of a really expensive laser, this is the way to go. If you're a homeowner, if you're a DIY, if you do, have rental properties, whatnot, you do these projects often. So this is a great little tool. Like I said, it does come with 2 batteries, so it's a really great device. Guys, that's it for today. Just want to show you guys what's going on with this thing. Looks really good. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.